One, 1, 2. Again. 1, 1, 2. Jab, jab cross. Jab, jab cross. We're good. Jab, jab cross. Jab, jab cross. Yep. Bring your punches back. Breathe in. Jab, jab cross. Hup. Jab, jab cross. Good. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Good. High 1, low 1, 2. Good. Yep. High 1, low 1. Good. Breathe. High 1, low 1. Good. One more. Good. So when you're stepping on the low one, do high, take a small step, come back. Sometimes you change level and go. One more. High. Think like a little forward lunge. Okay. Now when you throw low, slip my jab and hit the body. Yeah, and then boom. High 1, low 1. Yeah, good. High 1, low 1. High 1. Good. Breathe. 2 more. One more. Ready? Okay. Next. 1, 1, 4. Actually, let's go back to the 1 and block. 1, block, 2. 1, block, 2. 1, 2, block, 3. 3. You're good. Again. Good. We'll do the 2 next. Good. 1, 2, block, 3. One more. 1, 2, block, 3. Good. Because I'm hooking here.
Yeah.
This hand's protecting you. Yeah, this free hand.
Gotcha.
Now we can go with the 2. 1, 2, block, 2. Yep. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go with 2, 3 now, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, block, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, block, 2, 3. One more. Good. 1, 2, forward, back. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, forward, back. 1, 2, 3, 2. Good. 1, 2, coming forward, back. 1, 2. Good. Jab cross. Good. 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 Nice. Very good. Breathe. Okay. Got that one. Let's go with your 114. Boom. Nice. Again. One more. Nice. Okay. 1-1 overhand. Slowly do 2 of them and then let it go. Yep. Okay. Good. Sir. Good. Good. One more. Again. Okay, breathe. One low 2, 1 overhand. Now fake the low and then go. Gotcha. 1 low 2. Yeah. Again. 1 low 2. Good. Don't rush. Sell it. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Yeah, pretty good. Tricked me a little bit. Good. Good. One more. Good. Uh, center. 5-6. 5-6. 3. Okay. Sink your weight a little bit. 5-6. 5-6. 3. Okay. Now, once you're here, you hit the 3, right? Under. Hit the body with your 4. This hand here. Come back up. 3. Yep. Slow. 5-6. 5-6. 3. Hit the body 4. 3. Yeah. Again. Good. A little more speed on the uppercuts. Keep that hand up. Good. One more. Oh, that was me. Again. One more. Keep that hand up. Jab. Low kick. Yep. Focus on pointing that toe, spinning, bringing it back. Jab. Low kick. Turn the hip, turn the shoulder, lock it out. Jab cross. Middle. Look at my foot. Step, spin. Spin on the lead on the stepping foot. Yeah, look how I step forward and then I spin. Okay, jab, kick, jab cross, step through. Yeah. Lock out the leg, try to make it straight. Jab, low kick, jab cross. Let me know how you kind of feel most comfortable, here or like here or here. Here? Good. Try to lock your leg out a little bit. 1 low, 1 2 middle. Good. Jab, low kick, jab cross. Good. One more. Jab, low, jab cross. Okay. Jab, cross, hook. Low. Cross. Hook, cross. Middle. Step through. Boom. Jab, cross, hook. Low. More power. Cross, hook, cross. Middle. Again. Breathe. Jab, cross, hook. More power. Low. Accuracy. It landed, right? More power. Bring it back. Cross. Hook, cross. Good. Jab, cross, hook. Low. Hook again. A little more power. Boom. Cross, hook, cross. Power. Good. Jab, cross, hook. Low. Hook. More power. Cross. Hook, cross. 2. 1. 2. Jab, cross, hook. Kick. Hook. Cross. My bad. Cross across. Good. Jab cross. Rear knee. Hook cross. Kick. Good. Breathe. Jab cross. Rear knee. Hook cross. Try to switch fast. Boom. Yeah. Guard. Jab cross. Knee. Hook cross. Go. Good one. Jab cross. Knee. Hook cross. Kick. Nice. Breathe. 10 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jab cross. Block with your left leg like this. Elbow to knee. Your elbow on the outside of your knee. See how it's an L shape? Elbow on the outside. Yeah. And bring your knee to your rib cage. Yeah. And then L shape. Yeah. So jab cross. Lift. Block. Good. Cross. Hook. Knee. Elbow. Jab cross. Lift. Block. Cross hook. Knee. Right elbow. Right knee. Right elbow. On the knee, look how I tuck my leg. Bend it. Keep it tight. Try to get on your tiptoe and drive your hip. Jab cross. Block. Boom. 2, 3. Knee. Elbow. Good. Knee. Elbow. Turn the body a little bit. Yep. Jab cross. Block. 2, 3. Rear knee. Rear elbow. Good. Jab cross. Block. Cross hook. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Jab cross. Block. 2, 3. Good. Again. Jab cross. Block. 2, 3. Find the middle of my arm. Again. Don't just go up. Drive your hip. Yep. Yeah. Again. One more. Good. 1, 2. Block. 2, 3. Yeah. Because essentially that would be hitting my stomach.
Yeah.
Drive up and in. Try it. Up. Yeah. One more. Better. Let's do that again. Jab cross. Block. 2, 3. Knee. Yeah. Way better. One more. You're good. Change it up. Jab, left push kick. Yep. Again, take a small step for balance and go. Boom. Yep. Lift high. Boom. A little higher. Good. Follow. Follow. Left knee. Left elbow. Right kick. Good. Jab cross. Left push kick. Follow. Left knee. Left elbow. Right kick. Boom. Jab cross. Left push kick. Follow. Left knee. Left elbow. Right kick. Nice. Nice and straight on your punches. Hard. Boom. Boom. More. More. Boom. Again. And you see that? Throw your push kick. Boom. Knee. Right elbow. Oh, sorry. Left elbow. Right kick. Low. Cross. Time.